When we talk about being data-driven, we are automatically talking about a data analytics platform that transforms the way you collect, integrate, analyze, utilize, and help in performing actions using your data. Qlik, being one of the leading players in the analytics space, checks all these right boxes and accelerating business value through data, for almost a decade. Our partnership with Qlik allows us to serve our clients with top-notch and end-to-end Qlik services. Implementation, adoption, migration and upgrades, roadmap, support and enhancements, diagnostic services. What sets us apart as Qlik Select solution providers? 80+ direct Qlik clients, 100+ Qlik specialists, 6+ years of partnership with Qlik. Innovative Partner of the Year awards in 2016 and 2019. With our analytics solutions on Qlik, we intelligently integrate, analyze and even train you to derive value from your data. Because that is what it takes to be a truly data-driven enterprise.